Hello, my name is Naseem, and remember in our Kickstart video we talked about the basic fundamental which we must have a knowledge of to start with machine learning and data science. So we were talking about probability. So in upcoming series of lectures we will talk about the very basic fundamentals of probability and how probability help us to implement some machine learning engines on top of the historical data set of a specific use case we have. So in next couple of videos we will try to understand with the basic terminology of the probability. So we will try to understand what is a random experiment in terms of probability, and what are the sample space of a random experiment, and what are the events of a sample space. So we will try to understand these things. Once we are ready with these nomenclature things, we will try to understand how to calculate probability of an event of a sample space inside a random experiment which we have done, right? Also we will try to understand the types of the events we have in a random experiment. Means there may be dependent events, there may be independent events, because in area of machine learning and data science we will be mainly focusing about independent events, right? So once we are ready with these things, we will talk about the different rules of the probability, like multiplication rule. And once we are ready with this multiplication rule, we will be able to talk about the conditional probability. So we will talk about how occurrence of an event in a sample space is actually affecting the probability of another event of same sample space. So this is called conditional probability, and this conditional probability will help us to understand the Bayes theorem of probability which we have. So we will try to understand Bayes theorem and how to calculate conditional probability of an event sample space of a random experiment. And once we are ready with this, we will be ready to take our study into the advanced level of probability, which is random variable. What is random variable in a sample space of an experiment, and how to calculate probability distribution of a random variable. Next we will try to calculate how to get variance and standard deviation of a random experiment. Once we are ready with this thing, we will be talking about the very important thing in the area of probability, which is discrete probability distributions. So mainly we will talk about Gaussian distribution. In other terms we call it normal distribution. So this Gaussian distribution and normal distribution is going to be used widely in area of implementing machine learning algorithm. So we will try to understand this thing very deeply. All right, and once we are ready with these all the things, our final step would be to get to know how we can use a historical data set of a specific use case, and how we can apply probability fundamentals on top of this data set to get to know some necessary parameter of it, how we can implement machine learning algorithm by using probability of some random experiment of the data set which we have. So in earlier days, when we used to learn about probability in our classes in our 10th standard or 12th standard, it used to be very boring. But this time we will try to understand probability with the very realistic examples, and we will try to take probability into our real life, and how we can get benefit of probabilities by implementing machine learning algorithm on a specific use case which we have in our lives. So happy learning, and thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.